Oh, 4th Street. Looks like we're going to be doing a turn here. So we're going to have to sneak over. Over so we get a little room. That Freedom car in front of us, they just joined the group, so that's awesome. Judy, Edmonton, hey guys, woo! Put some flags on the windows here today.
You guys make it out there? Stopped at another red here. I'm not sure what boss man's doing, but he's directing us.
How's everybody doing out there today? Nice relaxing afternoon, eh? Cody, let's go, let's go, let's go. Freedom, thank you from Barrie, Ontario. Will, London. Russell, Nova Scotia. Mark, not impressed at all. Well, not all of us can be impressed, buds. You guys out west rock. Deb, Martin, Lindsay, Ontario, hold the line. Gerald, honk honk, fire. Tamiza, I can't say that one, United States. Judy from Wales. Brenda, great and see y'all slow rolling. Kevin, New Brunswick. Keep on trucking, guys. Come to Edmonton tomorrow. Christy. Guess I gotta learn to drive here and make a turn. Yeehaw! Let's give her. Paul from Athens, Ontario. Right on, buddy. Something about passports being lifted or something. Hong Kong from New Brunswick. Daphne, Derek, let's go. Martin, I'm very impressed. Where are you from? Sturgeon Falls. We're in Calgary today, buds. Paul, hold the line. We got this one covered, guys. Get another one. Just like quarterbackers. Grab a line. Just waiting for my husband to come home and off to the road. Proud of trucking family. Right on, Jennifer. Oh, way up there we got somebody waving a flag. I can't zoom in on you guys, sorry. Jesse, Lance Barrett, or maybe he lovely needs a convoy outside of his own. No, I'm not sure what that means. And Freedom. Brenda, glad my brother and... Oh, this guy loves us. He's got 2 fingers. Love you, brother. Love you. Freedom, Truden didn't listen to honks louder. Awesome, guys. Christine. Hey, look at this guy. He's made the party. Oh, does this mean I'm almost the last one again?
Say out there.
I'm socializing. You guys giving us the fist pumps? The guy in the tricycle, you guys, he's handicapped and he's happy. He's waving his hands. Hey, he's loving it. That goddamn makes you feel good right there. Love you guys! Right there, eh? You guys rock! Have a great day!